Wait. Wait. I'm just following this tutorial and I think I've done it. So this one will be yay! Yeah, go! I'm so happy I made it. Again. Thank you, Cubastic. Can you show me? We did it. I show you, okay? Wow! Don't destroy it, please. Don't destroy. It took me 1 day to do it. Yay! I'm so happy. I'm gonna see. Okay guys, I'm so happy because after 24 hours I made my first ever Rubik Cube and I follow a tutorial. I'll put down the link. I'm so glad I did it. And yeah, since I was little I wanted to do this one and I was cheating. Before these Rubik Cubes had stickers and I was placing the stickers, but yeah, I'm so happy and wow, I'm gonna celebrate today. I'm gonna put this one on YouTube.